Hey beautiful people, in this video I'm gonna tell you two reasons why your English is not improving. The first one, you don't practice every day. Learning a language requires daily practice. You can't have a good level without setting a plan that allows you to be in contact with this language on a day basis. Devoting a few hours on day a week will not do it. You need to have a plan and stick to it. A plan in which you can practice your English every day. You may have other responsibilities, of course, and I'm not saying that you have to learn English from morning to night. What I'm basically saying is that you should learn new vocabulary, grammar rules, idioms, etc., and practice what you already know by dedicating at least 20 minutes or half an hour a day for that. And number two, you are shy to use the language. This is in fact a very common problem among the learners of English. Being shy and afraid of saying something wrong stops them from speaking and using what they have learned. What they don't realize is that any language is best mastered through practice and letting what you know come out of you. They can get better only if they use the knowledge and the information they have been learning. If you are one of these learners, then you should rethink how you learn. Input without output will not take you anywhere. You need to produce and create something out of what you have received. Only then will you be able to improve your skills. Think about this. You will never know that something is wrong unless you say it. When you say something wrong, people will not eat you. They will correct your mistakes if you make any. And this gives you the opportunity to learn from your mistakes and eventually improve your overall level. So I hope you got it. That's it for today. You can watch slow English speaking videos on YouTube. You have to search Mr. Paul on YouTube and you can watch all of them. This video will help you for beginners. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching me. Goodbye.